Good morning. Welcome to Share Market Mike. Thank you for your time. In today's video, Tata Steel is giving their shareholders a second chance to make the payment for their partly paid shares. Yes, those shareholders holding partly paid shares and did not make the payment that the company had called for in the month of March, the company is giving a second chance to make your payments and convert the partly paid shares into fully paid shares. We will quickly see those details. Before proceeding any further, if you find our videos helpful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. A quick background, Tata Steel in the month of March had called for the payment of their partly paid shares to convert them into fully paid shares. There was only one and the last call that the company had made. A call for rupees 461 per share has to be paid to convert them into fully paid. The time duration was from March 1 to March 15. So for those who did not make that payment during that time, now the company is giving a second chance to make the payment. So they have sent a second reminder come forfeiture notice, which means this may be the last opportunity to make the payment and convert them into the fully paid shares. So the company is opening the window from July 5th to July 19th, by which the shareholders holding the partly paid shares have to make the payment. Please remember that only those who did not make the payment on March has to make the payments now. The time window is from July 5th to July 19th. If we do not make the payment, then the shares may get forfeited, and also the amount that we paid initially will also get forfeited. We will quickly see the mode of payments the company is offering. Cash payment is strictly not accepted. So what are the ways by which the shareholders can make the payment? They have offered us two modes of payment. One is the check DD mode of payment. Ensure that whether you are a resident shareholder or a non-resident shareholder, you pick the appropriate name that has to be entered in the check or DD. It is different for resident shareholders and different for non-resident shareholders. Once you make your check ready, you have to download the payment slip. The link to download this payment slip is in the description of this video. Once you download the payment slip, you have to make sure that you fill the form correctly. Some of the details that you need to enter is given in the screen now. If you have any queries in any of the data, the right person to contact is the registrar of the company. The registrar contact details is also given in the description of this video. We have to ensure that the check DD and the payment slip reaches specific ICICI Bank on or before July 19th. Why is this specific ICICI Bank? Can I not go to any ICICI Bank? The answer is no. You have to be very specific ICICI Bank that the company has mentioned. The list is now on your screen. For resident shareholders, the list is separate. For non-resident shareholders, the list is separate. So the next question would be, what if the place where I reside do not have a collection center, or the bank is not mentioned in this list? For those people can send their check, DD and payment slip to the registrar's address through register post or through speed post or through courier. Usually the companies do not allow courier services, but now I find courier also present in the press release from Tata Steel. So either you can send it through registered post or speed post or courier to the registrar's address. The registrar's address is also present in the description of this video. Ensure that the check, DD and the payment slip reaches them on or before July 19th. The payment slip link is also present in the description of this video. Check and DD is one mode of payment the company allows. The other mode of payment the company allows here is RWAP, which is online registrar's web application portal. We will quickly see that detail in the upcoming slides. Now, few points that you need to keep in mind while trying to do check or DD mode of payment. Ensure that no outstation checks or bank drafts or money orders and postal orders will not be accepted. Keep that in mind. Do not give post dated checks, that also may get rejected. Do not give someone else's accounts check. Use your own bank accounts check and ensure that it reaches on time to the registrar. Now we will see what is it to apply through RWAP, which is online. So you don't have to go anywhere, especially during this time of pandemic. It is preferable to do it through this mode, which is RWAP, registrar's web application portal. You have to go to the registrar's web application and then fill the online forms and then make the payment using your net banking or through UPI. Again, ensure that you are using your own bank account and not someone else's bank account. That is called the third party account, and that may get rejected. Only resident shareholders can use the RVAP mode of payment. Non-resident shareholders cannot use the RVAP mode of payment. Once the window opens up for payment, the registrar would activate the link in their website where we can go and make the payment online. I believe this is the simplest mode of payment. When you make the payment through RVAP, ensure that you get the acknowledgement, and any questions always reach out to the registrar. The contact details of the registrar is in the description of this video. So quickly let us see. No cash payment is allowed, no part payment is allowed. Make sure you do not use the third party bank account and you use your own bank accounts. What would happen if I do not make the payment? The answer is very simple now. The company is giving you a second chance to make the payment. If we do not make the payment here, I think it will get forfeited, which means whatever amount that we had paid earlier also will go waste. What is the timeline? The timeline the company usually says is 2 weeks from the last date of payment for the partly paid shares to get converted into fully paid shares and get credited into your Demat account. With this, we have come to the end of the video. If you find our videos helpful, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. Thank you.